ITC Power. Empower your business.
Take off the fuel tank cap and fill the fuel. Observe the fuel tank floater. Red area indicates the fuel level. Please retain at least 30% fuel in fuel tank. Take off the oil level gauge. Fill the oil. Fill the oil till oil level between two gauge lines. Connecting the battery cables. It's important to tighten the screws. Insert the key into the lock. First turn to the I position. Turn the key clockwise until the generator starts. Each start time should not exceed 5 seconds, and wait for 3 minutes after 3 unsuccessful attempts. Otherwise the starter motor will easily be overheated and damaged. When shutting down, after the generator has been running with to load for 3 minutes, turn the key to O position to stop generator.